Well, guys, today on my birthday, what do you think I got? Well, you can see by the name, BAJA Motorsports, that's a new mini bike. So, I got me a new mini bike. How about that? Now, this one's one that you have to put together, because we didn't want one that had to be already put together. So, now, that mini bike can go to rest for a few years, maybe. And I'll still use it. Put a new motor on her. But now, time has come. Take these straps off. And we're gonna get her putting her together. So, we get her out of the box. Well, it's out of the box now. Front tire's not on. But this wants a chain-driven clutch. It's hidden underneath there. This is a 2.8 horse motor, 97 cc. And there's all the tools to put it together. Pretty nice mini bike. I like this one because it's got the rail brake, the disc brakes like on a car. So there's the motor, all our things. BAJA 97 cc. Pulls over pretty easily. You gotta make sure it's got some oil. Gotta make sure we get some gas in it. So we'll be ready to ride here pretty soon. Okay. Well, guys, the mini bike's together now. Tires on. Everything's ready to go. So now we got gas. It's got oil. I'm surprised they shipped it with oil. So now, give it full choke. Gas is on. That's off, so it's on. Everything's ready to go. Let's try it out. Oh, I gotta turn the switch on. There you go.
Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know, where sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. And my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio